Alright, so obviously you guys have seen last episode we got it running, made sure it was all good, it all sounded good. Um, so right now we're going to take it for its first drive. I've got to head down to the local parts store, which is probably about 3 or 4 k's away, to grab a battery hold down clamp because it's got a bigger battery in it from another car, but I don't have a clamp for it, so I thought might as well take this beast, give it a test. I know it's not long distance, but take you guys along with us, give us a test. Let us hear if it's making any noises, if the suspension sounds good, if it drives straight, if the gearbox feels tight, all those good things. But yeah, let's. I've got a camera. I don't know if you can just see it, sort of there. I've got a camera set on the back window. So yeah, I'll switch it on and then take you guys for a little cruise. And then after the little drive, if all goes well, I've got something pretty cool to reveal to you guys. So if you hang around to sort of after the first drive, yeah, hopefully you guys like it. I'm excited to show you guys, but yeah, let's get to it. So I've just got back, just grabbed, like I said, a battery hold down clamp. Mine's missing, and just some spare fuses. In these old cars you can never have too many spare fuses, and I think I'll keep popping my brake one because of this stereo, so I'll sort all that out at another time. But yeah, I've only come to this store because it's my local one, but I'm not biased to any store, whatever works. But yeah, let's cruise back home. Well, I hope you enjoyed our first drive. Everything went pretty successful. There's no issues. For something that's been sitting 5 years untouched, it actually drove like a dream. As I said earlier in the video, I alluded to showing you guys something, and if you haven't noticed yet, I two-toned the car off camera. So I've always loved a good 80s, 90s two-tone, and if you've seen the earlier videos, the bars had a lot of scratches, a lot of marks, colour faded, and when I started bringing the panels up, the bars just weren't coming up that great. And if you look on the two-door, if you look on the internet for what the 323 GDXs and BFMPs, I think they sort of run along the same sort of two-tone from factory, but they've coloured the wheel arches. I didn't want to do that because obviously it's not a two-door, and I just wanted to go with my own style. But yeah, we've two-toned the car, so I hope you guys like it. And I'll roll this quick clip right now. You guys can check it out. I hope you guys enjoy my vision of where I'm trying to go to and what I'm trying to achieve with this car. I'm digging the two-tone. It actually came out really well. For me, basically just doing it in this driveway in between good and shit weather. Just took my time, rubbed everything back properly, scuffed the doors up, cleaned it, and then just did light coats. When you're using a spray can, if you can rub it back and just do light coats and not just put it on super thick, then you should come up with a pretty good job. But make sure you use a good clear. But yeah, super cool that I'm excited to show you guys for the next episode. But till then, you guys will have to wait. But yeah, I'll see you on the next one.